Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Dibrugarh location. It is from Assam. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for front office executive and front office assistant positions from Hotel Ras Meridian. If you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for service manager position from Reliance Retail. For this position, the candidate should be from electronic service center background. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for assistant manager HR position from Sarovar Hotels. For this position, the candidate should have worked as heads of department in HR at hotels and should be willing to join immediately. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for advocate position from SKN Legal. Like if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are various job vacancies are available. For the position of sales executive for construction company, the candidate must have minimum 1 year of sales experience, and also you should have the age up to 30 years will be preferred, and the salary will be up to 16,000 per month. Next one, for the position of FMCG sales executive, you should have minimum 1 year of experience in FMCG sales, and you are going to get a salary up to 25,000 per month, like it will be depending on your experience. If you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for wealth manager position. Like the candidate must have graduation or post graduation, and also you should have 2 to 5 years of work experience in wealth management or AMC industry, banks and financial institutions. And for this position, they are offering salary up to 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are various job vacancies available from warehouse or fulfillment center. They have vacancies for the following job roles: FC manager, inbound executive, outbound executive, inventory manager, inventory executive, transport manager and transport executive. These are the job vacancies available. For these positions, you should have qualifications like MBA or PGDM, and graduation will be preferred. And also you must have experience in supply chain and warehouse, and you should be from warehouse industry for up to 5 to 10 years of experience is preferred, like in this industry. And you should have warehouse knowledge, and also you must have SAP knowledge. And if you see the salary for the FC manager, it will be up to 10 lakhs per annum. For the section manager, it will be up to 8 lakhs per annum. For the section executive position, it will be up to 5 lakhs per annum. If you are interested for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for city transport lead position from Reliance Retail. For this position, the candidate must have 5 to 10 years of work experience. And you please check what's the job role that is provided here. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for area sales manager position from one of the leading manufacturer of a wide range of AAC block in Northeast. For this position, The candidate from the real estate or property or construction industries will be preferred. And also you must have 5 to 7 years of work experience in building material sales like TMT, cements, paints, AAC blocks, plywood, roofing sheets, etc. And you should have minimum graduation, and male candidates are most preferred. And the job location will be Jorhat, and local candidates from Jorhat, Golaghat, and Dibrugarh will be preferred. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are various job vacancies are available for upcoming 100 to 150 bedded chain of hospitals and medical colleges. They have vacancies for the following job roles. For the position of medical superintendent, there is only one vacancy is available. Like for this position, the candidate should have qualifications like MD or DNB medicine will be preferred, and also you must have 3 to 5 years of work experience. For the nursing superintendent, there are two vacancies are available, and you should have BSc or MSc nursing qualifications will be preferred. And also you must have minimum 3 to 5 years of work experience. Next one, for the position of radiation therapist, there is only one vacancy is available, and you should have qualifications like MSc or BSc in radiation therapy, and also you must have 2 to 4 years of work experience. If you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID.